Hey there YouTubers, Biker Dave here, Horsepower House with some more little home fix-it tips. If your toilet flapper, that's what this piece is called, is the flapper. You know, when you hit the trigger on your toilet to flush it, and you have to actually hold the trigger down for a couple of seconds for it to actually flush completely. Otherwise, you know, if you just do it normally and just hit the trigger quickly, the flush doesn't go thoroughly. Let me show you why. It's because your flapper is no longer flotational like it should be. Notice the old one here. Notice how it just sinks to the bottom of the water, where the new one floats nicely. And if yours does not float properly, like this old one, that probably means you're having to hold the trigger down completely until the toilet flushes all the way through. The issue is, though, you have to make sure you get the correct flapper, because they make tons of different ones. So the easiest way is to remove, first you go turn off the water, you know, at the rear of your toilet, which is usually, you know, found back there. Turn that valve off, so screw it in basically. Turn it off first, and you also very well might have to replace the inner valve, that this whole pump system right here, that may need to be replaced as well. There are plenty of videos on how to do that online, you know, but you basically have to turn off the water, siphon out all the water from the tank if there's any remaining, and then just start. You may have to get a pair of pliers, and you'll have to unscrew that setup right there. You know, you'll have to unscrew this here, as well as unscrew the main hose. You may have to use a pair of large pliers or something. But put you a little bucket or a small bowl or something under here, because quite a bit of water will probably come out when you start loosening this off here. And you know, have a towel ready and whatnot. But I found that if you have a siphoning pump of some sort, maybe a hand siphon or even a little electric siphon like I've shown on a previous video of mine, you need to get the remaining water out of the tank here, because it'll be a little bit down at the very bottom. I'm sure you can't see that well with you know, with the darkness in here, but you may need to replace this entire setup as well as the flapper itself. So that's basically the reason why you're having to hold up your trigger, because your flapper doesn't float. And this particular one happens to be for a Kohler brand, but you can see it's just blah. It's done basically. So what I advise is to remove your flapper and either take it to your, you know, your Home Depot or your Lowe's or Ace Hardware or wherever you're going to get the replacement. Take it with you, because they make so many different ones, you know, or take some photos of your old one and maybe indicate some measurements or whatnot, so you can compare it to what they have on hand. And that way you'll get the correct one. You won't have to make but one trip. And but definitely that's why it's not, the flapping is not flapping, is because it doesn't float well anymore. It just gets old and degraded, and it can't handle it. So that's that. And the new one will come with a little chain, and you know, just give it a little bit of slack so that it can operate properly when you reinstall it. But that's pretty much it. I'm about to do that on one of my toilets here, and pretty simple job. The issue is those making sure you get the correct one. And that's that. Check out our other videos. We got tons of little home improvement things and do-it-yourself fix-up things. Working on motorcycles, cars, lawnmowers, chainsaws, you know, outdoor equipment, stuff. You know, we work on stuff all the time, as well as post, you know, little entertainment videos, you know, stuff for motocross racing, dirt bike racing, enduro, freestyle motocross. You know, we're always just up to something skateboarding related, BMX stuff. So check out our other videos. You'll probably find something that you will either learn something from or enjoy. So, and if you've done a similar job like this and you have some tips that can help other viewers, please post a comment below. And that's it. Once again, Biker Dave here, Horsepower House. Google us online. We have all kinds of stuff on our Facebook page as well as our YouTube channel. And we have a busy eBay store as well for motorcycle related parts and tools. So that's it. Y'all have a great day. See ya.